Hi friends, thank you for joining me today and welcome to my channel. I've been wanting to join one of these clothing subscription things, and I always watch them online and on YouTube, and I finally did it, and I joined the dia&co subscription line, and I received this box. It's my very first box. And I actually subscribe through Geek Out of Water, Shelly. She has a wonderful channel. If anybody has never seen her channel, you might want to check it out. It's called Geek Out of Water. She does wonderful foundation reviews on Friday. If you're looking for a foundation, she has a spreadsheet of every one she has tried. If you have dry skin like I do, she's a good channel for it because she also has dry skin. But anyway, she does several clothing reviews, and she did some dia&co, so that's where I decided to try it out from. And it costs $20, and that's kind of like your styling fee for them to style you and pick clothes that you like. But from what I see, it takes a while before they truly understand the type of clothing you like. You do a questionnaire and answers several questions on like what colors you like, do you like florals, do you like plaids, you know, different things. And it's kind of hard sometimes to answer those questions because I do like florals. But as you're going to see in this box, they sent me some florals that are huge that I would never buy. But hopefully the longer I work with the stylist, the better it'll get. And it seems that's how it usually is. They send you, in the box, you'll get, let's see what I got here. And it's all packaged so nice. This tells you all about the clothing. What did I do with the, where's my magnifying glass? I'm sorry for the glasses, but this is very small print. But they send you a little paper, and it's from your stylist. Her name is, it says Chow, Monica, and it says, "Hi, welcome to the dia&co family. We're really excited to start this journey with you and build a wardrobe you'll love to wear every day. Start by pairing the Jackie tee with the Chatham ankle skinny jeans for a quick casual look, perfect for any day of the week. The Kinsley top is also a great match for the Chatham jeans. Add the Utah Lake necklace along with your classic accessories to bring this look to life. Layer the Sakura dress with a cardigan or light jacket and finish the look off with a chic ankle boot." Okay, don't forget to send us your feedback. We want to know what you like, what you don't, and what styles you're willing to try. And most importantly, we want you to have fun with this. Ciao, Monica. And they also send you this little pocket folder with your receipt, and it has all the clothing listed, the price, and so forth. And what you do, you try on all the items and see what you want to keep, and what you, if you don't like an item, you send it back. And they sent a prepaid postage bag for me to put the items I don't like in this bag to send back to them. Okay, and it didn't take long for the first box to come in, maybe a week, which I thought was great. And the first thing I see in here is this burgundy top, and it's got this detail on the sleeve here, like a cold shoulder detail, but it's it's a soft material, and this is made by the brand Mira Lane, something like that, in a 1X, and it's got like a V top. This is a nice little go shopping outfit. I could wear this top with jeans to eat out on the weekends, or even go to a football game with a light jacket. Okay, and to pair with this, she sent a pair of skinny jeans. And this jean is by Chatham, she said, Chatham. It's Rowan. I'm not sure what brand this is. And it has, like, on the bottom, I like the little detail. It has the brand on the bottom ankle. And these are a size 18. Yes. No, size 16. 16. Curvy something. But I'll try this one on for you, and we'll see what we think about it. I really like this burgundy shirt. Of course, I have 4 others just like it, but I don't have one with the sleeves cut this way. I like the open shoulder detail on, like, the arm, and I like the cut of the neck. And it was just a really soft material, and the jeans fit me well. They are like a stretch fabric, not real thin, kind of like a denim, but there's some stretch in it, you can tell. And I like the way they fit and looked. Of course, I need to lose weight, but overall, I really like this little outfit. It's very versatile. Right now, it's still hot in Louisiana, but once it gets a little cooler, I could throw a jacket on with this, a jean jacket with some little short boots, and it's a nice casual look. And they also sent me a necklace. This is the Utah River necklace, and it was in this little bag here, and it's gold trim. It's like a gold necklace. It's like two-sided, I want to say. One side is like a greenish marble look, and the other side's white. As you can see, I don't know if you can see this on camera real good. That's the green side. And then if I turn it, it's the white side. And then it's got stations on each little station here. It's got these little details. This is some little beads. Let me see real good. Yeah, green and white smoky colored beads. It's really cute. If you're wearing like a gold jewelry, this is perfect. And I think she picked that because this next shirt, which looks like a big old, like a sack. It's a 1X, but man, it looks big off of me, but I am what I am.
You still have your swatches on your arm.
Oh, well. I'm sorry about the swatches. I just did a different video, and I didn't wipe them off. That's okay. My husband's telling me I have swatches on. That's the sleeve. But look at this print. It's too much. I would never, ever wear it. It looks like an old lady print. Hey, I'm 51, but I don't feel like an old lady. Sorry. But I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'll try it on and I'll show you what I mean. I'll try it on with the jeans. She paired it with the jeans and the necklace. And I'll show you how that looks. Tell me what you think in the comments. Oh, this shirt is like a square, and it's kind of tapered at the bottom. It's a different cut, but it just does not look good on me. I have these little boots on with the jeans, and as you can see, I have the necklace on. It has like teal and gold and these huge, huge flowers. All I can say is I need to lose weight because this makes me look like a big ball. This next item, and it is the last item, is this pretty little burgundy and floral dress. It's in a size 1X, and it's by Cameo. And she said I could pair this with a jacket and some little boots, and I will do that to show you how it looks. I just don't think this is, I don't like how it fits, but I don't like how it fits. I don't think it's very slimming. I think the floral pattern is too big, and I just didn't like it on. I will show you how it looks on, and please tell me in the comments below what you think. Okay, this little dress is in a size 1X. I paired it with a jean jacket that was actually trimmed in red, not burgundy. I didn't think it would go well, but I just put something with it to see how that would look. But as you can see, I look breast heavy. My boobs look too big, and it didn't cinch my waist enough. I think it's too busy, and it's shorter in the back than the front, which I have problems with that a lot on my dresses. It's my back, I guess, but I just didn't like this either. So out of all these items, I want to tell you how much they cost. The first burgundy shirt that I like and I'm going to keep is, let's see, it's burgundy. It's the Mirror Lane Jackie V-neck cutout tee burgundy. That one is $45. The jeans were Chatham jeans, skinny jeans, high-rise ankle skinny jeans in a dark wash. Those are $72. I'm keeping those two items. The Utah Lake pendant necklace in gold is $28.50. The Rachel by Rachel Kinsley printed cape top, the one with the large print, this one sells for $75. No way would I pay $75 for that. I don't like it. I think it makes me look huge. Then we got the Cameo Sakura dress that is like a cotton and burgundy floral. Burgundy pink is $59. So if I were to like everything in the box and I want to keep it, the total merchandise total is $279.50. I would take my $20 off of that, and they would give me 25% off. It's applied if you buy everything, you get 25% off. So the whole box would cost $189.62 plus $20. It would be like $200 because I already paid the $20. But I don't like, the two items I kept were the jeans for $72 and the top for $45. Yes, and those two items cost me less than $20. I forgot, like 90 something dollars. So that's what I ended up keeping. And I'm sending all these back, and they're going to send me another box right away so I can see what other items. I asked for everyday items, things I can wear at home every day. And I want another pair of jeans with that are distressed looking, in the same style except lighter, with maybe just distressed, like little tears in them, something like that. And more some unusual tops, something different and trendy, something that I can't find here. But I'm gonna tell you, I don't like to go shopping at all. I am not a shopper. I like to buy online and just send back if it's not. So this is right up my alley, and if I could get somebody that knows how to style me, I think it'd be even nicer. And then when you start going through your email, once you receive the items, I thought it was really neat. They pair the things you received with ways you can wear it with, like they paired the Burgundy shirt up with a pair of shorts, and they showed you what type of shoes and bag you would wear with it. So you can wear some things in your wardrobe that you have already. So I thought that was really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. If you're interested in Dia & Company, I will leave the link below. I think I get some kind of reward or something if you join under my link. And that's how I joined. I joined under Shelly Geek Out of Water's link. And it's a fun thing to do. You can get your box every month. You can get your box every other month, or you can get it every 6 months. I think you get it whenever you want. And you don't have to keep anything you don't like. It's just something fun, especially if you work a lot. I think you don't have time to shop. This is a great way to have somebody style your clothes. And it's $20 for the styling fee, and then you can apply that to the clothing once you purchase them. So, if you have any questions about that, please leave them below. Please tell me what you thought about the clothes, if you thought I made a bad choice, or you agree with what I kept, and I would appreciate that. So, thank you for watching. Remember, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of video. And until next time, bye.